What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and we are just going to fix the PlayStation 5 error, and error code is NP-103117-3. This service is currently under maintenance. It's a kind of network error. So I'm just going to share my screen on the left side. Here we go to the screen, and at the settings, we must go to the settings. Here we go to the settings, and then user and accounts. You must check your PSN account is logged in or not, and then you must check your console is automatically logged in or not. And then look at that. Here we could the login settings. Your PS5 console is logged in or not. Then go back to the settings, view PlayStation Network services. You must check the server. Sometimes the server is down undergoing maintenance when you're working on the updates. That's why you get this. If you get the green option here, then the server is working up and good. If you get one of them is a red option, you just wait, so it will fix this up automatically. You do nothing. And if green, then you just set your local internet connection, set the connection settings, frequency and WAS settings, DNS settings, servers, primary, secondary, MTU settings. You must just set it 1500, and you do the same in the wired LAN. You must connect from the router to PlayStation 4 and connect it. It will be fixed. So simply, that's how you can fix this kind of network error. And I hope so you found my video helpful for you. See you soon for the next one. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.